Do you like a manhwa where MC beats the one who bullies him? Or you love the main character who goes through huge character development? Or perhaps you like a classic high school romance manhwa? Well, whatever it is, the list of manhwa in this video contains every type of concept you desire. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be recommending you guys top 10 high school manhwa. So, let's start the video.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Coming at number 10, we have the Overachievers Black Tech System. Using the Black Technology System, the main character enters a world of knowledge where he improves his learning efficiency by a factor of 1 billion. He becomes the smartest human in existence, gets rich using his super brain, and experiences the loneliness of being a leader. This is your typical system manhwa, but personally, I think it's a lot better than other system manhwa out there. This has absolutely no action scenes, no harem, and very less romance. Check this out if you have nothing to read. Coming at number 9, we have Han Lim Jim. Tired of being picked on, Yoonga, the new transfer student, decides to fight back and discovers he can pack a punch. He soon becomes the top of the food chain, savoring his new title as the toughest guy at school. But he meets his match when Suho Kang, the champion of the PvP games, single-handedly takes down him and his crew. To earn back his honor, Yoonga decides to join the PvP games. Will he finally get the satisfaction of beating Suho up, or will he gain something more? This is a new action manhwa with a lot of potential. The main character here will do anything to become strong. Some people might not like the main character as he is delusional and thinks of himself as the strongest. Coming at number 8, we have Gosam Musang. It's an action and martial arts manhwa which consists of more than 100 chapters. The main character of this manhwa, Jang Sam-bong, is a high school student. One day, he and his friends find out that there is something strange going on with their body. Their bodies become so weak that they were having trouble lifting a glass of water. And to make things worse, they also find out that they were asleep for 6 whole months. I personally like this manhwa because even though the main character isn't aware of the amount of strength he possesses, he isn't a wimp and protects others who are in danger. The story of this manhwa is decent, but the main reason I have included it in the list because the duo of main character and his friend will make you laugh. Coming at number 7, we have My Student Can't Be a Psychopath. This is a romance comedy manhwa which has more than 80 chapters. Jung In-tae may be the first to admit he's a psychopath to the school nurse, Miss Kim, but he certainly isn't the last. Consequently, Miss Kim's been dealing with a lot of high school psychopaths. Not that any of them really fit the bill, but dig a little deeper and it seems like everyone at school, including the faculty, is harboring a secret. The main character of this manhwa is very funny and a simp and is obsessed with the school nurse. If you like a manhwa with a lot of funny scenes, then you should check this out. Coming at number 6, we have Green Boy. This is an action, romance and martial arts manhwa which consists of 137 chapters. This manhwa is about a girl who aims to become a boxing champion and an innocent boy who likes her. Taijin, a nerd boy, had a crush on a girl of his class, Jane, who is a pro boxer. In order to get close to her, he joins the same gym she goes to. Even Taijin didn't know how much his life would change and how joining the same gym as her would lead him in the challenging path of becoming a world champion. Unlike many martial arts manhwa, the main character here is very weak at the beginning but keeps getting stronger while training with his senior. The art is average, but the fight scenes are very thrilling. Coming at number 5, we have The World is Money and Power. With the arrival of 3 members into general high schools, it transformed into brain-fighting schools that seek power by surrendering to massive capital. The main character, Dan Jeon, was a son of politician. Being framed of entering school through backdoor method, he was transferred to a different school. a school where brain games and gambling overtook studies. The main character of this manhwa is a genius, but he stays low-key. The two major strong point of this manhwa is its art is really awesome, and the character development of the supporting characters is really good. Coming at number 4, we have Once More. This is a comedy, drama, romance manhwa which consists of more than 90 chapters. Here the main character is not a student but a teacher. In senior high, Mooli and Jean-Anne missed each other because of a misunderstanding. After graduating, they returned to their alma mater as teachers, but 7 years have passed and young Mooli, two-faced math teacher, doesn't seem to recognize Jean-Anne, cold PE teacher. Though many things have remained the same, the people themselves have changed. Can the feelings that once died come back once more? I won't tell you anything about the character development or how the story progresses, since they will be major spoilers. Trust me, if you like romance manhwa and haven't read it till now, then you are missing out of something really good. Coming at number 3, we have Study Group. This is an action martial arts manhwa which has more than 130 chapters. The main character of this manhwa, Ga Min-yoon, is a 17-year-old student and goes to school known to harbor future criminals. Stuck in an environment where only the strongest survive, he struggles to get good grades to enter a university. For me, this might be one of the best high school martial arts manhwa out there. The art is simple yet super awesome. The main character is overpowered, the story is good, and it has little to no romance. Just what I want in action manhwa. I highly recommend you guys to read it too, if you haven't read it yet. Coming at number 2 of our list is Season of Blossom. This is a romance drama manhwa. It currently has 2 seasons with 60 chapters. Bo Mi-yoon, the prettiest girl in her class, joked about being in love with Jin Yong. The real trouble starts when the rumors of her liking Jin Yong spreads throughout the school. Jin Yong decides to help her by pretending to date her. But what he didn't knew was she was in love with her friend Jaemin, and Jaemin loved her too. And so, the story of dating a fake love, which starts with a lie, begins. I like this manhwa a lot. It's definitely top 3 on my romance manhwa list. The main character of this manhwa is smart and uses his brain whenever he gets into trouble. He's not a simp at the beginning, but he starts to like Bomi after they start fake dating. So, if you like a love triangle romance manhwa, then this is for you. Coming at number 1, we have Shark. This is a very underrated action and martial arts manhwa. The main character lives a very harsh middle school life. After watching his childhood friend getting hit by his bully, he couldn't control himself and stabs the bully's eye with his pen. He gets charged with attempted murder and was sent to juvenile, where an even harsher life awaited him. Watch how he gets stronger and trains hard under the guidance of the world's strongest boxer to get revenge on his bully. This manhwa has many strong points. The art is simple but good. The plot is even better. And the character development of the main character is one of the best I have seen so far. Trust me, go ahead and read it. You will definitely thank me later. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.